In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Flubaroo and Flubaroo with auto grading. First thing you want to do is once you've completed your form, go ahead and click on responses. Then click on the three dots and you're going to select a response destination. And it's going to create a new spreadsheet by default. Go ahead and create. So now when you go back to your Google Drive, a response for that particular quiz or form or whatever it is you're using for them. So then go back to the actual form itself. Go ahead and click preview. And what you're going to do is you're actually going to take your test or your quiz so that you generate a key. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So now that I'm done taking my quiz, I'm going to go ahead and click submit. And if you go back to your Google Drive and check your responses, it should automatically have a response. So now what you're going to do is from the spreadsheet, you're going to go ahead and click on add-ons. You're going to go ahead and click Flubaroo, enable Flubaroo in this sheet. So now Flubaroo is able to run on this on the spreadsheet. So go ahead and close that window out and then click on add-ons again. Click on Flubaroo, and this time instead of grade assignment, I'm going to click on advanced. And I'm going to enable Autograde. So now anytime a student takes this quiz, it'll automatically grade it for them, and I can send out an email response. I don't have to go and regrade every single time, or I don't have to click on regrade. So I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. And now you're going to do a little bit of prep work. Okay, so in this window here, it goes over every question and it asks you how do you want that question to be graded. So username, first name, last name, period. These are all identifications of student. It's when I get to name the movement or name the bone or name the landmark, this is where I want to change identify student to normal grading. So I'm going to go ahead and click normal grading for all of the remaining questions. All right, and then I'm just going to double check and make sure that I selected normal grading for all of the questions, with the exception of the ones that identify student. So I'm done. I'm going to go ahead and click continue. And in the next window, I'm going to select the key that I want to use. And since I just took my quiz, I'm going to select myself. And then the last window, it's going to ask you, how do you want to share your grades? So you always share by username. So if you're collecting email addresses from students, if you're having them log in with their student account, a column automatically called username will collect all their email addresses. So I just leave username, I leave everything in here the same, and then I just click continue. Okay, so now AutoGrade is enabled. So now every time a student takes this test, you will be able to see their answers from the spreadsheet, but they will also get an email with their grade. And that's how you set up Flubaroo and Flubaroo AutoGrade.